An operating system is the fundamental software that runs your computer. It manages everything from your computer's memory and processes to its peripherals, like printers and mice. Think of it as the bridge between you and your computer's hardware, allowing you to interact with it and run applications. Without an operating system, your computer would be a useless box of electronics. There are many different operating systems available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. The two most popular operating systems are Windows and Linux, each commanding a considerable share of the market. Windows, developed by Microsoft, is known for its user-friendliness and compatibility with a wide range of software. It dominates the personal computer market, with a significant user base worldwide. Linux, on the other hand, is an open-source operating system renowned for its flexibility and security. It's popular among developers and tech-savvy users who appreciate its customizability. Windows, first launched in 1985, revolutionized personal computing with its graphical user interface. Over the years, it has evolved through numerous versions, each introducing new features and improvements. Windows' success can be attributed to its focus on user experience and its vast software library. Linux, created by Linus Torvalds in 1991, took a different approach. It embraced open-source principles, meaning its source code is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. This fostered a global community of developers who continuously contribute to its development, making it incredibly flexible and adaptable. The development models of Windows and Linux have shaped their trajectories. Windows, with its proprietary nature, has focused on commercial success, while Linux, driven by its community, emphasizes collaboration and customization. Windows is renowned for its user-friendly interface. Its familiar desktop environment, with its taskbar, start menu, and windows, makes it easy for users to navigate and find what they need. Microsoft has consistently focused on making Windows intuitive, even for those unfamiliar with computers. Linux, while incredibly powerful, has a steeper learning curve. It offers a wide array of desktop environments, each with its own look and feel. This flexibility allows users to tailor the interface to their liking, but can be overwhelming for newcomers. For those accustomed to Windows, switching to Linux might require some adjustment. However, Linux distributions like Ubuntu have made significant strides in user-friendliness, making the transition smoother for new users. Section 4. Fortresses of Data Security and Vulnerabilities. Security is a paramount concern in the digital age, and both Windows and Linux have their strengths and weaknesses. Windows, due to its widespread use, has been a prime target for malware and viruses. However, Microsoft has invested heavily in security measures, constantly updating its operating system to address vulnerabilities. Linux, known for its robust security, benefits from its open-source nature. The transparency of its code allows for rapid identification and resolution of security flaws. Additionally, Linux's user permission system provides an extra layer of protection against malicious attacks. While no operating system is entirely immune to security threats, Linux's architecture and the vigilance of its community give it an edge in security. Section 5. A world of software. Availability and compatibility. Windows holds a significant advantage in software availability. Its massive user base has attracted developers worldwide, resulting in an extensive library of software for almost every need. From productivity suites and creative tools to the latest games, Windows users have access to a vast selection. Linux, while lagging behind in terms of sheer quantity, boasts a growing software library. Open-source alternatives to popular Windows applications are readily available, often for free. Additionally, Linux's compatibility layer, Wine, allows users to run some Windows programs directly on their systems. While Windows remains the go-to platform for software compatibility, Linux is rapidly catching up, offering a compelling alternative for users seeking open-source solutions. Section 6. The Power of Choice. Customization and flexibility. Linux shines in customization. Its open-source nature allows users to modify almost every aspect of the operating system, from the kernel to the desktop environment. This flexibility makes Linux a favorite among developers and power users who crave control over their computing environment. Windows, while offering some customization options, is more restrictive in this regard. Users can personalize their desktops, themes, and some system settings, but the core functionality remains largely untouched. For those who value freedom and control over their operating system, Linux is the clear winner. Its unparalleled customization options allow users to tailor their computing experience to their exact preferences. Section 7. Finding your perfect OS match. Choosing the right operating system depends on your individual needs and preferences. Windows, with its user-friendliness, vast software library, and ease of use, is an excellent choice for everyday users, gamers, and professionals who rely on industry-standard software. Linux, with its flexibility, security, and customization options, appeals to developers, tech enthusiasts, and users who value privacy and control over their systems. Ultimately, the best operating system is the one that best meets your specific requirements.